clear morning has given way to cloudy skies across the campus of Troy University in the city of Troy. Does this mean rain and storms for your weekend? I'll have the answer to that, plus your 4-day forecast coming up right after this.
You're watching the award-winning TrojanVision Nightly News.
Welcome back, and now Sean Sporman joins us with a look at weather.
So Sean, it's been very cloudy today, and it seems like we're going to get some rain. Is that true?
Yeah, I'd say that's a good chance. It may not be raining in all areas around Pike County, but there is a good chance we're seeing some rain. And in fact, there's some showers already popping up now. I'll show you more on that in just a moment. But let's take a look outside right now. And as Caitlin and Jessica implied, it is cloudy out there. You see some of those cumulus clouds out now. Take a look at that notable one out in the distance toward the left of your screen. Definitely a high rising cumulus cloud. Could turn into a cumulonimbus cloud as it develops. And you can see right now, across the quad, we are not in light anymore. Mostly cloudy skies right now with a temperature of 83 degrees, dew point 68, with variable winds at about 3 miles an hour. So far, we've gotten up to only 85 today, so it hadn't been too bad aside from the humidity. Early morning rain resulted in 0.19 of an inch of rain with an early morning low of 71 degrees. Across the state right now, pretty much the same story as Troy. We have a mix of sun and clouds, where you see more clouds like in Huntsville, and the fewer clouds such as Birmingham. But a mix of sun and clouds, no rain reported in the major cities, but it's not completely dry out there, as you can see on our Doppler radar picture here. We do have a little disturbance swinging through the area, cycling in some showers and thunderstorms. We do have, again, some light rain over here around Crenshaw County and some disturbances of a little bit heavier showers around Birmingham. You can see the heaviest of the rain. This was pretty much covering Georgia earlier today. That sort of dissipated and moved off. Still a little strong, still some heavy rain as it goes toward Greenville, South Carolina. But again, Georgia is finally drying off after seeing copious amounts of rain earlier today. But these showers, again, as you saw, they're not moving very fast. Again, you can see them sort of scattered around the area. And that will be about the story for the rest of the day. We'll see those scattered showers. And that's in advance of this stationary front, but it won't be stationary much longer because it will eventually begin to slide toward the south and toward the east and affect our weather over the next couple of days, especially Sunday in the form of rain, and Monday in the form of, well, you're going to like this, cooler temperatures, less humidity, and sunny skies. But let's get into the rain first. You can see it scattered all across the southeast right now. Chances of rain are about 1/10 of an inch as far as the probability of precipitation goes. Not much in the form of really a flooding threat of any kind. And a few of these storms could get winds up to 30 miles an hour, maybe a tiny chance of small hail, but an organized threat of strong or especially severe thunderstorms is not expected in our area at this time. Again, you can see all along this front, it's just lots of rain and moisture, and stretching along another front, another low pressure system up here in the UP of Michigan, and yet another disturbance is moving on the Oregon coast there, bringing some scattered showers and thunderstorms up into the Pacific Northwest as well. And you saw off the Carolina coast a tropical system, and that is Tropical Storm Danny. It has weakened somewhat due to wind shear, but sustained winds are currently 40 miles an hour, and we really don't expect it to really strengthen too significantly. We'll get up a little bit more, 45 miles an hour, but will remain a weak tropical storm as it really goes up toward the north. It won't affect Alabama's weather at all, but the East Coast may want to keep an eye on some little bit of heavy wind, maybe some rain, but mostly it will not be a threat to the U.S. But we are keeping an eye on a medium probability storm. It's not even a tropical depression yet, but it could develop, and some of the computer models have it going further south than Bill, more of a Claudette type storm possibly, at least, but its origins are further out, so we'll be monitoring that for development should it become Erica later on next week. But your forecast for tomorrow, again, the front will make its way further south, showers and thunderstorms along that front, but tomorrow's chance is only 30%, and some cool air will be coming in behind it. We won't see 30s and 40s, but we might see upper 50s by Monday once the front makes its way through for what promises to be a rainy Sunday. For tonight, low of 67, 40% chance of storms mainly early in the evening, but by late night, if you're planning on traveling, it looks like it'll be all right, just mostly cloudy skies. For tomorrow, mostly the day will be very nice, but a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, especially after the 5 p.m. hour. Your Troy TrojanVision 4-day forecast looks like this. The best chance of rain will come on Sunday with a high of 86 and a low of 67. For Monday, scattered storms will start off early and then move out of the area. And look at Tuesday with a high of 82, and that low on Monday looks very nice, 62 degrees. And in fact, Caitlin and Jessica, some people in the southeast part of Alabama could see lows in the upper 50s next week. But again, as I mentioned, lower humidity. It looks like next week will be really nice.
It looks like I'm looking forward to that cooler weather after that rain comes in. Thanks, Sean.
Thank you, Sean.